for a very transparent conflict of interest or Hindenburg's professed interest, and we've all fallen for it, and the markets have sort of panicked and they just couldn't stop the falling knife?
I'm not saying people, I didn't say people have fallen for it. I've said this is the first reaction, and this is how first reactions happen. I've not said everyone has fallen for it, because look, frankly, the Hindenburg report, if it is to be investigated and all, will have to be thrashed out. One can't in a first blush response say, oh, this is this or that is that. It is what it is.
So are you going to take legal action? Because you said that...
Certainly.
Yeah, are you going to take legal action? Because, you know, Mr. Adani has sort of talked about taking legal action.
So, Gautam Bhai is lucky in one sense and different from all other industrialists, in that his daughter-in-law, Parinidhi, her father owns and manages one of India's largest legal firms, Cyril Amachan Shroff. So there's no doubt that any response that they have will be a carefully calibrated response in what they feel is the right time and in whatever they feel is the appropriate forum. As to why they have not yet gone to court, the answer is simple. You know, if somebody sets your house on fire, you first put out the fire. Then you go after the arsonist. So at this moment, their primary interest is stakeholder protection, which is what they are looking at. Later on, cases may well be filed in whatever appropriate forum there is available.
You said
frankly, I'm not privy to this, because, I mean, Cyril is the one who's handling it all.
Right. Cyril is handling it all. We'll, of course, speak to him, too. Let me just tell you this. I don't know if you know, Hindenburg has evaded punitive lawsuits earlier. So there were defamatory cases filed. There's one instance of a Chinese firm, and the courts in the United States have dismissed them, simply saying that Hindenburg has just expressed an opinion. Does this fall, this opinion, quote unquote, today, that we're all discussing that led to this bloodbath, fall in that sort of benign category, according to you?
No, see, it can't be, benign is a word. But Hindenburg himself says, I have come out with this opinion because of a motive. My motive is profit. He hasn't shied away. He's told the whole world that. So the whole question is, I mean, he certainly didn't intend to be benign. He certainly didn't intend the stocks to go up. He did his best to bring them down. Now, if the courts abroad take the view that, well, this is just an opinion, then that's the view that courts abroad take. It will have to be thought through before any action is taken.